This is Oscar over at First Call Jewel. Today we are replacing a gas furnace in a commercial application building. This furnace is installed in the horizontal position with a built-in platform. Has a filtration system back here and a newer AC system up in front. We are replacing it with a two-stage variable speed train gas furnace, and we'll show you what it'll look like after we remove the furnace and when we are complete with the system, and kind of give you a breakdown of how we're going to modify everything. And here we have completed our job here at the commercial building with the furnace in a crawl space. We have here the adaptation ductwork from the filter rack to the furnace, and from the furnace to the air conditioner component. And we tied everything back in with new venting, gas connection, our surge protector to protect the high electrical components of our two-stage variable speed train gas furnace. And we also pulled a new thermostat wire, which is this white wire right here. We didn't have enough wires to meet the demands for the air conditioning system and the two-stage heating system on this new furnace, but we got that taken care of and tested everything out, and it's all up and going. So another completion here by First Call Jewel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.